Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Jay, and you are watching Indian Ostomy Boy. So, in this video, I will be showing you why and how ostomy belts are useful and how ostomy belts can improve quality of life for you and how are the design. So, let's go and have some ostomy belts. So, these are some of the samples which I have kept for you just to showcase you that I sell all type of ostomy belts with full customization if anybody requires as per the size. So this is a standard size bag from the Coloplast, and both are from the Coloplast. And let me show you that this length it can completely store, or it can completely hide your full ostomy bag. So this length is basically almost 10 inches, and it will cover your full ostomy bag, and you can prevent from you can like showing your ostomy bag. So that will provide you good confidence, and you can roam here and there, and you can be shirtless, and you can prevent your ostomy bag from showing it to the public. So even this is a very standard bag. You can see it that it can easily fit into this ostomy belts. So these is a special kind of a ostomy belts which are designed so that you can wear your clothes and you can hide your ostomy bag. You can see that. So just for demo, I have shown you that how this will look at. So this part will definitely stick to your stomach, and this part will go inside this, and it will cover your ostomy bag, and it has a chain, so your full bag will be compact and no one can see your ostomy bag. So this is how these ostomy belts are designed. These are specially ostomy belts for the people who normally put their ostomy bag in a vertical position. I have a special bags for people who normally puts their bag in a horizontal direction also. So as per your need, you can order it, and the number which is showing on your screen, you can reach out to me and get this product. Even these products are available on Amazon also. I will provide you the link in the description. So if anybody needed, they can buy it from Amazon also. So this was me, the Indian Ostomy Boy. If you need any ostomy belts or any bath guard, then reach out to me and I will provide you the belt and bath guard directly to your home and without going anywhere. So take care. Have a nice day.